Okay.
Are you still able to go into hospital and like do your appointments and stuff right now?
I have to go by myself, which like I don't mind, but it's my partner's first kid, so I feel bad because I'm like I have to FaceTime him. so it kind of sucks he doesn't get to be there for all this stuff, but it is what it is. So hopefully he'll be able to be there for the delivery. So who knows what's going to be happening at that point. So okay, so we were doing number 34, I think was a mixture of solutions. Yeah. So we're making a solution by combining 200 milliliters of 3.502 molar aluminum nitrate and 300 milliliters of 1.200 molar lithium nitrate. And we want to know what is the concentration of nitrate ions. So, what you want to do?
Start with like 200 milliliters and convert it to liters.
I love it. For every 1,000 milliliters, we have 1 liter. Now what?
Put your liter on the bottom, put 1 liter on the bottom, and then your molarity on top.
So this molarity represents moles of this guy per liter of that guy, right?
Oh, okay.
So we've got moles of aluminum nitrate per 1 liter, right? So you guys see what I mean when I was saying the key to these concentration problems is knowing that Daddy M actually means these units, right? And for all intents and purposes, if it's hard for you to see that, then you need to write it down every time you do a problem like this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. So, if I were you guys taking an exam on concentration stuff, I would have a crib sheet with all of the units and what they represent, right? And every time you see that in a problem, rewrite them immediately, right? So, I cancel out liters. Am I done?
Did you do the same for the other one?
Am I done with this one?
No, you have to convert it to nitrate ions.
Yeah, I need to go from moles of aluminum nitrate to moles of nitrate ions. So, what do I need to do that?
So 1 mole of aluminum nitrate over 3 moles of nitrate?
Yep.
Or is it?
Yep.
Okay.
Does Does everybody understand how we got that?
Yeah.
Yep. Anybody have questions about that? Because that's super important. We're okay. So now we've canceled out moles of this guy, and we just have moles of nitrate, right? So what does all of this equal?
$2.101 moles of nitrate.
Everybody all right with that?
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Cool. All right, and then I think somebody suggested that we do the same thing with the lithium nitrate. So we've got 300 milliliters, and we want to convert that to liters. And we have 1.20 moles of lithium nitrate for every 1 liter. And for every 1 mole of lithium nitrate, boop, we have how many moles of nitrate?
One. Just one.
That's right. Right? Yep. What does that give me?
0.36 moles of nitrate.
0.36 moles of nitrate. So now what should we do?
Wait, sorry, would it be 4 sig figs?
Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah. What is 0.3600?
But I was just wondering.
No, totes, you're right. Now what should we do? Add them? Sure, yeah. So we can add Why is it important to line up the decimals with stuff like this?
Sig.
Yeah, that's right. So we should have 2.461 moles of nitrate. Is that right?
Yeah.
Are we done? What do we need to do?
Don't you have to divide it by something?
Yeah. What do we need to divide it by?
I vaguely remember that, yeah.
So what are the units we're looking for?
Molarity.
Molarity, which is units of
Moles per liter.
moles per liter, right? So we've got the moles part down. So how do we get liters on the bottom?
Oh, do you have to add the 300 milliliters, but then convert it to liters? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so in this case, we have the total number of moles of nitrate on top. We need the total volume of the solution on the bottom. So we would have 0.2000 liters plus 0.3000 liters, right? So 4.9 something?
4.922.
Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Questions?
So your units would be moles over liters, right?
Yeah, so molarity, daddy M, and moles over liters mean the same thing. So you could have used either one of those.
So you could just put.
Yeah. But I would accept either, right? So if you put one, you put the other, it doesn't matter. Coolsies. Questions about these? Cool. So the main thing with a lot of these problems is making sure that you show all of your work. Because honestly, from from grading the last few quizzes, I think you guys sometimes forget to put stuff in the actual answer that you submit on Canvas, which is not a big deal as long as you have all of the correct work on your paper. Does that make sense? So it's as long as you're really thorough in writing out your problems, then you shouldn't lose any partial credit.